everybody, and welcome to another craft instruction. Today we're going to be painting kindness rocks, which are pretty straightforward, but I'll walk you through some stuff. Some supplies you'll need from home are a plate or something to use as a palette for your paint, a cup to have water to rinse off your paintbrushes, and you're going to need to find your own rocks. Unfortunately, those are something that I cannot supply. We will, however, be providing you with paintbrushes as well as the paint you will need. So here I have picked out my rock, and the first thing you'll want to do is pick out what color scheme you want the base to be. So I decided to do a kind of light teal. So obviously I'm going to be doing some color mixing since I only gave you guys some of the primary colors. You can make whatever colors you want with this. It's up to you, and the limit is the sky, so you can do whatever you want. To make that teal, I put together some white, some blue, and eventually you're going to see some green added in there as well. So basically you're just going to want to do an all over color, and as you can see I'm doing that here. And just be noted that you'll want to have a fair amount of time in between different colors that you're going to paint on the rock, because if you don't wait for the first color to dry, they do kind of blend together and it doesn't look as good. So I did my all over color, and I did that on the top, sides, and bottom. You really want to get every little crevice of the rock painted in. Ideally you want a smooth rock, but unfortunately my rock choices were limited at the library, so I took what I could get. So it was a little craggy, but I can work with it, and I'm sure you could too if you couldn't find something a little rounder and smoother. And then once you have gotten an all over base color, it's good to decide what you want your design on your rock to be. Again, sky's the limit. There are some examples I included in your kit, so you'll have plenty of inspiration, but really the whole idea is to just have messages of kindness and support on these rocks, because eventually what you want to do is to leave the rock in a surprising place so that someone might find it and it'll bring a little smile to their day. So like I said before, I have to let this coat dry before I added another color, so we will wait a few minutes and move on with the next color.
Later.
I kept it simple, and so I went and just really added a kind of yellow sunshiny color over the teal color that I originally started with. So then again, I had to wait a while to let the yellow color dry before I started adding any detail work to the stone.
Later.
When I was done, I used the smaller, more detailed paintbrush to add a little bit of text onto it, and I went with "Don't worry, be happy." So here's the final product. I don't know if you can tell, but that's supposed to be a little bee to go along with my "Don't worry, be happy" rock. And you're welcome to add little details like that as well. Just let your creativity go away with you and create whatever you want. Smiley faces, hearts, other messages. Honestly, if you do a quick Google search of kindness rocks, you'll find all sorts of ideas along with the examples that I gave for you in your kit. So that's it for me. Not a lot to do today, but it allows you to really flex your creativity and make it your own. So I hope you have a good time, and once they're dry, you can go out into the neighborhood and hide them away in little places for people to find and bring a little happiness into the day. Everyone take care, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.